Now there are like two scenarios related to time differences, time related errors, omission, reason, time related omissions. Look at the page number 4. Page number 4, time differences topic. PDF next week. Time differences. Look at the first one. Unpresented checks. Unpresented checks. Look at here. Cash control account balance was 250,000 31st March. But during the period, business has paid 80,000 checks are payment, but still not yet paid by the bank. How much should be the bank statement balance? Right. That's all. Right. Here, now this is my time difference. I'll explain what's the meaning of time. Please tell me, first of all, what is the meaning of reconciliations? I taught you previous lesson. Data reconciliation. What's the meaning of reconciliation? Meaning of reconciliations. What's the meaning of reconciliation? What? Yes. Find out unknown balance from the known balance. Correct. 100% correct. Right? Normally, reconciliation means, right? The not corrections. This is not error corrections. This is find out unknown value. Right? Unknown value. Then unknown value. Find out unknown value. Find out unknown value. Clear? Unknown value. Therefore, first of all, reconciliation being going to find out unknown value using the known balance. Therefore, in these questions, in this example, cash accounts, then there are two balances, bank statement balance and cash accounts. Which one should be the known balance? Which one should be the known balance? Cash account balance or bank statement balance? What? Cash account or bank statement? May bank state cash accounts and write down here in red color pen for only for this one. What? This is what? When known balance, unknown balance. What? Bank statement balance. Understood? Unknown. Right? Write down. Write down in red color pen. Therefore, in reconciliations, here you have to record first of all known balance. Known balance. Here you have to find out unknown balance. Unknown balance. Format there's no format. End of the questions. Known balance already recorded here. Cash account balance how much? 250. And write down here known balance and here unknown. Then plus minus bank statement. You have to find out bank statement balance. Don't do anything. Right. Known balance. Now, what's the thing? Business has paid check, but which is not yet paid by the bank. Right? Now, I am going to look at the below. Working for the reconciliations. You can do the tute in the tute. There are two. Please take this is the working. This is the thinking pattern. The meva and then the karanne. Senior was a hitler and the damn puluana karan. Make the analysis. May think how to thinking pattern. Right. Therefore, please consider. First of all, let's assume two balance, two accounts. Here are my cash accounts. This is our bank statement. BS means bank statement. Bank statement. Right. Then what's the theory? Now, let's assume two balances. Balance right? Assume this is not related to our actual questions. Let's assume two balances and apply the error here. Apply the scenario. Let's assume 100. If there are 100 in cash accounts, normally debit balances. Assume. I assume. Therefore, bank statement, this should be in which side? This should be recorded in credit side. If there are 100 balances, in accounts. Assume, not related to the questions, we assume what happened to the balance. We assume. On. Right. Right. If 100, 100, let's see what happened to the scenario. If apply this scenario to these two balances. What's the now theory? Paid. Business paid 80,000 check. Please tell me check payments recorded in credit side or debit side of the cash accounts. Payments. Which side? Credit side payment. 80. But my bank statement where we have to record payments. Bank statement payments, that opposite side. Payments record my debit side. Debit no? Debit side. But here question says what? Not yet paid by the bank. Which means not yet paid by the bank. And that's the same. Right? Can we control this one? That's the time difference. Then I'll tell you what's the meaning of time difference, right? On make a villa then api pay karla bank in pay karla ne. Therefore, according to our examples, what happened to our cash balance and what happened to the bank statement balance? Tell me. Here should be, according to our examples, here should be 20, but here should be how much? 100. Understood? 100. Therefore, please tell me, then this is our example. This is our actual thing. Please tell me, according to our questions, which one is unknown, which one is known here. කෝකද දන්නේ කෝකද දන්නේ නැත්තේ මෙතන මේකත් එක්ක බලන්න cash account balance නේ හන් we write down known this is known this is unknown understand this is unknown unknown understood right this is not error corrections find out using the differences and unknown balance. How much was the unknown balance? Here, this is the actual scene, but this is our prototype to identify the scene. Logic එක කියලා දෙන්න මේක කටපාඩමින් මේක edit කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? ඊට වඩා scene ගොඩක් තියෙනවා මේක. හරි? හරි දැන් O level කාලේ මේක මෙතන edit කියලා teacher කිව්වනේ. ඊට පස්සේ අදාන ගියානේ. ඉතින් එහෙම කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? හැබැයි මෙතන අපි E level කරද්දී හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ සමහර ගණන් තියෙනවා හදන්න බෑ. හරි? Understood? Therefore ළමයි now here, please tell me unknown balance, what happened? Unknown balance increase or decrease when compared to the known balance? Increase or decrease? More than, higher or lower? Unknown එක වැඩිද අඩුයිද known එකට වඩා? Increase නේ. Because not yet paid 80,000. Therefore, unknown balance now increase. By how much? Look at the difference now. If we assume any balances, difference should be same difference. Same difference. How much the difference? Between known and unknown? 80,000. 80. මෙතන ගෙවලා නැහැ. ඒකට මෙතන 80 වලින් තමයි එන්නේ difference. එහෙනම් ඔන්න බලන්න දැන් අර data reconciliation වගේම යා. From lower known balance to get higher unknown balance. මේ 20 වල ඉඳලා 100 වලට යන්න නම් what we have to do? Added or minus that difference. මේ අඩු පැත්තේ ඉඳලා දන්න අඩු එකේ ඉඳලා දන්නේ නැති වැඩි එක හොයාගන්න නම් මෙතන 100 එක කීයද කියලා බලන්න නම් අපි මොකද කරන්නේ? Added or minus that difference. And added. If you added that difference, you can find out මේ unknown එකට යන්න පුළුවන්. Understood? He also same. තේරෙනවද? එහෙනම් මෙතන වෙලා තියෙන්නේ අරගම තමයි. In the unknown balance, then මෙතන අපි මේක දන්නේ නැහැ. This is our example. මෙතන අපි දන්නේ නැහැ නේ. එහෙනම් මෙතනත් මොකද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? Not yet paid 80. Therefore, when compared to that known one, here unknown one ළමයි increase by 80. මෙතන වැඩි 80කින්. දැන් මෙතන මේක අපි මේක දාලා බලන්නේ අර මෙතන scene එක තමයි බලන්නේ. හරි? Understand? මෙතන එහෙනම් මෙතන pay කරලා මෙතන වැඩි balance එක. එහෙනම් මේ ඇත්ත කතාවෙත් මෙතන balance එක වැඩි වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Understood? Therefore, known low balance to get unknown higher balance. That difference should be what happened? Added. Unpresented. Presented means, write down. Presented, unpresented means lamai. Right? Then presented means paid by the bank. Paid by bank. bank එකෙන් pay කරනවට තමයි presented කියන්නේ. Right? If check paid by the bank, we call presented. Unpresented means what? Unpresented means තමයි not yet paid by the bank. Not paid by the bank. Bank එකෙන් ගෙවලා නැහැ මේ. Bank එකට present වෙලා නැහැ. Not yet paid by the bank. Understood? Right? Understood the scene. Right? මේ කරේ අපි දැන් ඔයාලා 200 දැම්මත් difference should be 80. යා. දාලා බලන්නකෝ. Difference should be 80. Clear? Clear or not? Any questions if you have, please tell me. දැන් සමහර ළමයිට මේක එකපාරටම තේරෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Please tell me understood or not. So next one. Right? Look at the next one. Look at the next one. The unpresented means what? Presented means paid by the bank. Unpresented means not yet paid by the bank. Bank එකෙන් pay කරලා නැහැ. Right? Now ළමයි unrealized checks. Look at the topic, next topic, unrealized. Then here also ළමයි cash account balance 250. I'll erase this one. Right? Then realize means what? Realize means, first of all, read the question. And please assume two balances again. Assume two balances and apply the scenario to the balances. අපි balance දෙකක් හිතලා ඔයාලා කැමති දෙයක් හිතා ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? ඔයා කැමති දෙයක් තමයි equal නා equal හිතන්න ඕනේ. 200 නම් 200, 500 but ලොකු එක හිතන්න බෑ 10 million මේ වගේ 100 right. Read there. Business has deposited, same question නා. Business has deposited 65,000 checks. Deposits where we have to record in cash accounts. Deposits lamai normally record in debit side, right? Recording debit side of the cash accounts. Understood? But bank statement where we have to record. Bank statement lamai recorded credit side, no? What's the error here? What's questions? But it's still not yet deposited by the bank. Not yet. Realized means lamai. Realized means deposited by bank. Right? Deposited by bank. Understood? Unrealized means what? Realized වෙලා නැහැ කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Not yet deposited. Not deposited by bank. Bank එකට වැටිලා නැහැ account එකට තාම. තේරෙනවද? මම කියන reason එක which means තමයි not yet deposited by the bank. Understood? තාම account එකට අපි දාලා තියෙන්නේ අපි ඉහළ දාලා අපේ account එක recorded but bank එකේ not yet still not yet recorded that one. Bank account එකට තාම check එක වැටිලා නැහැ. Understood? I'll tell you the reasons. Look at what happened to the balances. Here am I 165 but here not deposited, therefore here balance decrease. Here balance decrease. And what happened? Please tell me, don't worry about the correct incorrect balances. Please identify which one is higher, which one is lower. Tell me unknown balance, what happened? Decrease or increase when compared to the known. What? Decreases, right? Therefore, am I that unknown lower balance? Me lower. Lower. Higher balance to get unknown lower balance. What we have to do? වැඩි එකේ ඉඳලා අඩු එක හොයාගන්න නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕන? What happened? That deter reconciliation එකම තමයි හරි මේ. Higher balance to get lower balance. That difference should be what happened මේ. කල්පනා කරන්න වැඩි පැත්තේ ඉඳලා අඩු පැත්තට යන්න මොකද කරන්නේ? Higher to get lower, that difference should be deducted. Understood? අන්න මෙතන අඩු කරන්න 65. Unrealized. ඒතර කටපාඩම් කරන්නේ නැහැ මේක. හරිද? Logic එක හිතලා තමයි ගන්න. ඒතර මෙතන කී දෙන්න ඕන? 50 185 නෙමෙයි. මෙතන 65000 check එක deposit වෙලා නැහැ. බෑන් ඒතර මෙතන අඩුයි මේ. අරකම තමයි මේකෙත් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මේක තමයි ඇත්ත scene එක. මේක අපේ example එක. ඔය දෙක නම් ඉතින් කටපාඩම් කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි time differences. Understood? Everyone? The short method එහෙම තියෙනවනේ ඒව අමතක කරන්න. දැන් මේක lazy. හරි මේක කටපාඩම් කරලා කරන්න පුළුවන්. Bank statement තරස් තමයි ඔඩ අවුල් වෙන වෙන්නේ. Right. Please tell me everyone understood. Understood the scenario. Right. Here lamai, why we call time differences? Why we call time differences? Unpresented, unrealized. Unpresented means lamai business paid but bank not yet paid. Why? What's the reason? I bank එකෙන් ගෙවන්න නැත්තේ ඒක. Why? Normally ළමයි here then deposits, I'll tell you the deposits. Normally ළමයි if you deposited something, any amount in cash bank account, it will එයාලා ළමයි process. It will take minimum 2 or 3 days to deposit. Understood? දවස් දෙක ගියපු ගමන් account එකට වැටෙන්නේ නැහැ සල්ලි. There's a small process. It will take minimum 2 or 3 days to deposit our check to the bank account. Understood? දවස් දෙක තුනක් යනවා අඩු. හරි දැන් හිතන්න මේක deposit කරලා තියෙන March 30th නේ. March 30th. It will then March 31st වෙනි මේක deposit වෙලා නැහැ still. තේරෙනවද? Right? All the things on the end of the period we have to record bank reconciliation. No? 31st March. Therefore, March 31st with the deposit line. It will take minimum 2 or 3 days. Understood? Right? Check payments, paychecks with ඒ වගේ ළමයි. හරිද? අඩුව මාස 6ක් තියෙනවා. Minimally 3 months, 6 months actually. Right? අඩුව අපි check එකක් issue කරලා අපි දානවා. හරි paid කියලා අපි දාගන්නවා. බලන්න bank අපි check එක issue කරන කෙනාට මාස 6ක් තියාගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන් ඒක. ඒකේ note ඕනේ නිකන් මතක තියන්න. Right? That issued checks normally valid up to 6 months actually. 6 months. ඒක ගත්ත එක දැන් ඔයාලට check එකක් issue කරන්න ඔයා ඒක අතේ තියාගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන්. අපි cash paid කියලා දාගන්නා මේ bank එකෙන් තාම සල්ලි වෙලා නැහැ. Not converted into cashes. තේරෙනවද? ඒක ගත්ත කෙනා ටික කාලයක් තියාගෙන cash කරා. තේරෙනවද? ඒකයි time differences, time related. අපි pay කරාට ඒ ගමම pay වෙන්නේ නැහැ bank එකෙන්. ටික කාලයක් යනවා ඒක. Understood? All right. Those are the time differences, right? Now look at lamai. This is the very important part. Bank statement errors. Bank errors. දැන් මේවා අපිට control කරන්න බෑනේ. Okay මේකට ගන්න. හරි? Right. Now time no bank statement errors. Next topic, page number 5. Bank statement errors also considered to prepare bank reconciliation. Right. Here look at scenario number 1. Cash account balance 250. That's the known balance. During the period, business has deposited 65,000 check. Right? Business. But it has recorded in bank statement as 56,000. How much should be the bank statement balance? Right. Known balance here 250, unknown. But first of all, please assume two balances. You can assume any balance. I'll take 100 and work 300, 200, 500, anything, 250. Please apply the error here now. Make a dala balanda added do minus. Please tell me. Bank statement error now. In question says business deposited 65,000 checks. Right? Correct. Therefore, bank statement, credit side, they have recorded 65. Correctly should be recorded 65 in the credit side. Understood? Credit side of the bank statement. But they have recorded as how much? Bank statement key 65, not 56, 65. They have recorded as 56, which is incorrect. We can't correct this one. We can't control it. How much should be the balance sheet? Here balance 165. Here balance what happened? Decrease actually. 156. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Please tell me difference. Key in the difference again. This is known, no? This is known. 9. මෙතන ඇත්තටම 9කින් තමයි අඩුවෙන් දාලා තියෙනවා. Balance also ළමයි decrease by 9. Look at unknown balance. What happened? Decrease by 9 when compared to the known one. Therefore, from known one higher. This is higher. This is lower. From higher balance to get unknown lower balance. What we have to do? From higher to get lower known balance, that difference should be what happened? Deducted. Understood the scene? Here also same. Make it this is actual scenario. This is our examples. From higher balance to get lower balance, it should be deducted. 9. On the 9. Here I know bank statement error. Understood? Very easy. Huh? But I have given all the scenarios related to bank statement errors. Try to do the scenario number 2 then. Try to do scenario number 2 and tell me added or minus how much should be the difference. Tell me. Tell me second scenario. Second scenario. Tell me the difference and how to do. Page number 5, scenario number 2, bank statement errors. Again, my cash account 250. Read the question. During the period, business has paid. Business paid 74,000, but it has recorded in bank statement as 47,000. 47,000. 47,000. Apply the same to the again. Again, assume two balances and apply the errors to the bank. Our example. Paid, where we have to record paid. Paid lamai normally record debit credit side 74, but bank statement paid recording debit side. But it has should be 47, 74, but lamai they have recorded as 47. Recorded as 47. How much? Go, everyone, please send me the answers. 27. How much the difference? Susan, again check it. The difference balan. May dekhe difference එක ගන්න. ඔයාගේ example එක. මෙතන අපේ මතන 100 වලින් ගියාම 20 26 නේ. මෙතන ඊයේ. ඔයා ගන්න. ඔතන 200 දැම්මොත් ඒ balance එකේ difference. Here balance how much? 53. How much the difference? May unknown balance increased. Unknown balance increased lama. Increase නේ. Increase. බලන්න difference එක. Look at the difference. මේ දෙක deduct කරලා බලන්න මේ. මෙතනින් එන එකම තමයි මෙතනින් වැඩි වෙන්නේ ඉතින්. මෙතන අපි අඩුවෙන්ද දාලා තියෙන 27. මෙතන balance තමයි increase මේ 27. Lower known balance to get unknown higher balance. Understood? Unknown higher balance. That difference should be made lower to get higher. Added. How much the difference? 27. එහෙනම් හිතන්න නැති difference එකක් එන්නේ. Added. Bank statement error. Clear නැත්තම් කියන්න. මොකද physical online තේරෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන් එක පාටම. එහෙම වුණාම ඉතින් අහන්න ඕනේ ඒක. අහන්න නැතුව bank මේ මෙතන balance එක වැඩි. මෙතන අඩුවෙන් pay කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Bank statement paid that lower amounts. මෙතන balance එක වැඩි වෙනවා. මේ අඩුවෙන් debit කරන balance එක වැඩි වෙනවා. Understood නේ? හරිද? Try to do scenario number 3 then. Tell me the difference. Look at scenario number 3. Right? Understood නේ? වෙලා තියෙන එක දැම්මා. බලන්න තියෙන difference. Please, yeah. Right. Look at scenario number 3. I'll erase this one. First the scene. 250 known balance. Right? Known balance. Business has deposited 65,000 check. Deposited normally debited in cash accounts 65, but bank statement it should be recorded in credit side 65. What's the error now? But it has been recorded in debit side of the bank statement. Correctly should be credit side, but instead of crediting to that bank statement, they have recorded in debit side. Deposit. Definitely incorrect. Bank statement credit side deposit but they have recorded debit side. Look at the difference now. Here 165. Here balance actually decrease, right? 35. Look at known balance now decrease. Double amount only decreases. What happened? May known actually increase, unknown decrease. Yeah, unknown decrease. How much the difference? Difference එක බලන්න. මේ දෙකෙන් බලුවොත් හරිය. මේව හිතන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. මෙතන හිතන්න කිව්වොත් අමාරුයි. මේ දෙකෙන් බලන්නකො. 130 නේ. 130. අපි හිතන්නේ නැති difference එනවා තියෙනවා. Higher to get lower, that difference should be deducted. මේක තමයි ඇත්ත කතාව. Bank statement එක. Here 120. Clear, right? Any questions? This is very super method to understand the bank reconciliation, any reconciliations, right? Any reconciliations. Understood? Try to do scenario number 4 then. If you have any questions, please send me others. තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් කියන්න මේ working එක තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් එහෙම කියන්න ඕන. Scenario number 4, try to do and tell me. ඒක දාලා බලන්න තියෙන. හිතන්න මුකුත් ඕනේ දාලා බැලුවා හදන්න. Scenario number 4. First error. 250 non-balance. Bank has paid 74,000 check, but it has recorded credit side of the bank statement. Tell me what happened to the, what should be the difference? I think bank statement balance has increased. Then deposits and payments. Payments normally credit side paid 74, but bank statement it should be debit side. The 70. Clear? 74. But what's the error? But bank statement not debited it and it has recorded in incorrectly credit side. Incorrect. Paid your credit card man. 74. 74 right? Yeah. Wow. What happened? Here balance now decrease to 26. Here balance increased to 174. An unknown balance increase. Therefore, lower to get unknown should be added. But how much the difference? May they deduct 74, 26. Correct? 148. The difference is balance. Look what 148, right? Me BC high in the 174 and add current. The unknown. And here also same law. Here lower, here actually increase value. Therefore, difference should be added. $398. Easy, right? කොච්චර අමාරුද දැන් මෙච්චර ඒවා ඉන්නේ නැහැ. මෙච්චර අමාරු ඒවා ඉන්නේ නැත්තර. ඔයාලා මෙච්චර දැන් ඊළඟ ඊටත් අමාරු. කොච්චර අමාරු එකක් ආවත් හදන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒක හදන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ ෂෝට් මෙතඩ් වලින් බෑ එහෙම හදන්න. හරිද? කොච්චර කියන්නේ A level paper එක මේ එන history එකේ ආපු අමාරුම එක ආවත් ඔයාලට හදන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම බැරි නම් ඔයා කටපාඩම් කරලා තියෙනවා. Try to do last one. Last time scenario number 5. Apply there and tell me. Add or minus with the difference. අපි හිතන්නේ නැති difference එකක් එන්නේ ඕක බලන්න. 65,000 deposited checks, but it has been recorded in bank statement debit side as and 56. පැත්තක් වැරදි amount එකක් වැරදි. දාලා බලන්න තනිය කර. අද send your answers. පුළුවන් ඔක්කොම කරන්න. 6 7 8 9 ඔක්කොම. Let's see. ඉස්සලා දාලා බලන්න හරි කතාව. ඊට පස්සේ දාලා බලන්න මොකද්ද වෙන scene එක. මේක මේ explain කර කර ඉන්න දෙයක් නෑ හරිද මේ lesson එක. ඔයාලට scene එක හිතන විදිහ තමයි කියලා දෙන්න ඕන. හරිද? හරි හිතන විදිහ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. මේ මොකද්ද deposited 65,000 deposit. Deposit cash account debited. Bank statement තමයි deposits credited නේ. Bank statement credited. But what's the error? Bank statement it has recorded in debit side. මෙතන නෑ not credited. It has been recorded debit side. But value how much? 56. Value එකක් වැරදි. Side එකක් වැරදි. බලන්න ඉතින් දාලා ගන්න difference මේ. Here 165. Here 45. මේ unknown balance what happened? දැන් මෙතන හිතන්න දෙයක් නෑ difference කීයද කියලා කල්පනා මේක දාලා බලන්න අඩු කරලා මේ unknown balance decrease. Therefore how much the difference? 65 45 difference how much? 1 2 1 121, right? 125 added or deducted. Me unknown balance decrease, known balance increase. Higher to get lower, higher to get lower. That difference should be what happened? deduct. වැඩි පැත්තේ නම් අඩු පැය උච්චරයි වෙන්න. ඕක තමයි බලන්න ඕනේ. පට්ටම දේසිය. bank statement here key the 9 129 then you here 129 yes yes correct huh. Try to do scenario number 6. Tell me the answer. Scenario number 6 27. No, look at the difference huh? Page check 74 but recorded in credit side as 47 like there what paid 74 paid lamai credited ni 74 paid should be recorded in debit side of the bank statement 74. That's the correct way of recording. As far as the bank statement, it has recorded which side? Credit side, not debited. Recorded paid amounts, credit, but value 47. Value එකත් වැරදි. ඔච්චරයි. දාලා බලන්න. මෙතන මේ here 426, here 147. Look at the difference. 121. Added or minus mean known value lower, unknown value increase higher. Lower to get higher balance, added 121. 121. So bank statement balance is 371. 371. Yes, ne? Yeah, correct. I mean, හිතා ගන්න බෑ සමහර ළමයිට. ඔයාලා 2 seconds වලින් කරන්න. හරි. වැඩික් වගේ දෙන්න දීලා මේවා හිතලා කරන්න මේක නම් මේ වගේ කරන්න ටිකක් හිතලා කරන්න අමාරුයි. මේ ඇඳලාම බලන්න වෙනවා මේ වගේ ගන්න. තේරෙනවද? දාලාම බලන්න. Try to do scenario number 7. Control account balance 250,000. Bank statement balance has been overstated. Balance overstated by 25. Balance, this is not transactions, balances. Assume two balances, closing balances. There's no transactions. Right? This is errors related to closing balances. Assume two closing balances. Assume two closing balances in the error. Assume two closing balances around, let's take 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. But what's the bank statement error? Bank statement balance overstated by 25. Here balance lamai overstated by how much? Overstated by balance in a very well. Incorrectly got incorrect balance. Here balance lamai overstated by 25. It's me increase by 25. Our balance is calculated 25 per unit to go. What happened? Very easy. Known lower, unknown increases. Lower to get known, unknown added. How do you in the very added 25. 275 here. That's all. Understood? Very easy. Scenario number 8. Cash account 250. Bank statement balance has been understated. 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 Scenario number 8. Understated means my balance actually decreased by 18. 18, huh? Right, what may? Assume two balances. Here my 100. Assume two balances. Bank statement balance understated means here balance decreased by 18. Which means how much? 80. Yes, 80 to unknown lower, known higher. Higher to get lower balance should be deducted. Should be deducted. 18. $232. That's all. හරිනේ. ඔය තව දිනනවා. තව දිනනවා ඉතින්. තව සීන් කියන්නේ මෙහෙමයි අර. දැන් මෙහෙම හිතන්න ඕන. රයිට්. වෙන කෙනෙක්ගේ චෙක් එක අපේ account එකට ඩිපොසිට් අර ලොකු ගණන් ඇස්සේ දෙනවා ආයෙ කරන්න ඕනේ ඒක. දැන් තේරෙන සීන් එක please tell me what happened. And have you understood any? Do you have any questions? Doubt? මේක